We're inside the Imperial floor plan, which is a really nice two-story floor plan in one of the newer communities in the Winter Garden area. This floor plan is about 2,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. And one thing that makes this unique is it has a downstairs bedroom and bathroom suite, which is right here at the front of the house, which is actually very desirable and is very accommodating to multi-generational families if you have someone who needs that downstairs bedroom, which is kind of rare for some of these two-story homes that are built in the new construction area. So that's a pretty large, spacious downstairs suite, and there are some other configurations that you can use or do with that space as well. But like I said, we have 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,600 square feet in this floor plan. So you still have a downstairs guest bathroom that they can use. It's a half bath. And then upstairs is the primary suite and the other guest bedrooms or secondary bedrooms as well. Here we have the nice open area, which is a really nice pro when you're looking at new construction, right? You got the modern floor plans. If you are considering doing upgrades and you're going new construction, definitely do tile or a hard surface material throughout the first floor of your home. When you consider these floor plans in these homes, you're really only going to get tile in the wet areas, which means your living room is probably going to be carpeted. So that's just going to be an automatic upgrade that you're going to want to do when designing out the home. Here, it's really nice as well. I kind of actually like these design features. So we are in a gas community, which is somewhat rare in the Winter Garden area. We have quartz countertops and these 42-inch cabinets with trim, large basin sink, and then of course what typically comes kind of standard for most builders now is the oven microwave combination. Some builders will have this setup that you see actually be a gourmet kitchen upgrade. Really kind of depends on the builder on where their standards actually start or their baseline features. Back behind there, we have like a mudroom entrance area and a 2-car garage. And then of course, outside in the backyard, there's a gorgeous water feature in this model with a fire feature as well. This 2-story home comes on a 50-foot wide lot or larger. It means you have about 5 feet on either side of the home, but you could probably put this on a larger wide lot as well. Let's check out the upstairs. Welcome to the second floor. Up here, we have a secondary bedroom, a hall bathroom, and the laundry room. Fun fact, new construction builds, the laundry room is going to be on the same floor as the primary suite, whether that's upstairs or downstairs. This floor plan, the primary suite, it's upstairs. You have a pretty spacious loft area here that you can chill at. And then you have bedroom number 3 upstairs, the 4th one is downstairs, and the 5th one, our primary, is right behind me. So pretty spacious primary suite. It's on the back side of the house. So in this specific model, you have great views of the lake in this community. You have a pretty spacious closet and a pretty spacious primary suite bath with dual sinks and popular hexagon tiles. So this Imperial floor plan is located in the Winter Grove community, which is a prime location in Winter Garden because we are just minutes north of the Winter Garden Village, which means we're also just a few minutes south of the historic Winter Garden Plant Street. So you get the best of both worlds where you can go shopping at Target and you can also go enjoy Plant Street Market. And we're also in a great location that is going to have easy access to the Horizons West Regional Park. So this is one of the last communities in this specific locations with 50, 60, and 70-foot wide lots available with this floor plan and many others that you can choose from. So if you're interested in learning more about new construction for this home or any of the communities across Central Florida, don't hesitate to reach out. We are your new construction specialists.